wanted to talk a little bit about RV life because, you know, it's something that felt so exciting, yet also we were a little bit nervous about. So, yeah, Ryan and I were having a conversation about it and like, how is it going? Like, as opposed to when we first moved in, and it was a little intimidating in different ways. There was all kinds of systems that we had to learn, and I am not very technical and I felt a little bad to rely on Ryan for all of the little you know, system updates, like the toilet system and what happens if the electricity is not working and like all the little details. But I have to say that everything always ends up okay. There's been a moment where there's seemed to have been an issue and it resolved itself. It just ended up resolving itself. And the kinds of repairs that we've had to do are minor and were pretty easy for the repairman or for Ryan to do. And I'm getting more comfortable with working with it, with understanding different things. Like, I've actually driven it once, not like not parked or for a long distance, but I've been in it. So I've moved it with my own effort. So yeah, I feel like the freedom that we get to have is immense. It is so amazing that we got to live basically at the coast for the last 2 months because, you know, as we're in the middle of a pandemic, we need to be able to feel safe to go outside instead of being cooped up inside. Even in our house, we didn't actually have a yard, so we felt very cooped up. So even though our space is a little bit smaller, like, we feel way less cooped up, and we get to travel with the weather, so we can have these opportunities to play outside and to just have so much more freedom. And it's been amazing. And I know, like, that for some people it is a dream. Maybe it feels like a distant dream. For some people it sounds a little bit crazy and how could they do it, or very complicated. But we didn't make it complicated. We figured out support systems. Like, we're in a giant Facebook group where we can post a question and there's thousands of other people and families that do this. Like, post a question about different homeschooling ideas, different different camping spots, and there's a whole community out there, so that's helpful. It feels like you're not like super lost when you're, you know, when you have a question or a thought, like, you can get your questions answered. So yeah, it has been a beautiful journey, and we are still way on board.
God, this is a perfect castle.
Oh, I love that castle. And we are excited, and we are happy, and we are learning and learning and learning as we go.
Did you guys see my castle?
Happy Halloween.
Did you?
I think they did.
And did you see me making it?
They did.
Okay. Hi.
So, yeah. Life in the RV is good. It's good for us. And we have 2 brand new baby kitties, which is nice to have companions around to teach about responsibility and all that jazz. So, yeah. I guess that is that. It gets easier and easier and better, and all the bumps we deal with, and not too stressed about it. We got internet working because we posted in the groups and found a really good solution to that. And so, yeah. All right, we are gonna sign out and have a beautiful week.
Does this feel like work for you still, Marvin, or do you still enjoy the fishing?
I enjoy taking the first timers. The smile on somebody's face after they catch a 20 or 25 pound king is just awesome. The smiling something you'll never forget. Half the time they'll want to reach out, give you a hug, a handshake, something, and that never gets old in this job.
That's great. So hopefully the girls will catch something today and make your time worthwhile.
Exactly.
Thank you.
You can't see you can't really tell.
Oh, did he cut it?
No. They got it out. They got it out in time.
Not that one, right?
Yeah, the little one did.